Welcome to today's video. If you're new to the 3.0T world and you didn't know that we're out of fuel, let me tell you, we're out of fuel. And it doesn't even take us Big Blower Mafia to hit that limit. That was hit a long time ago. That's about to change with this. So a lot of you are asking, and here it is. This box is from German Performance Solutions, and it has their own MPI kit. So let's see what we got. Yeah, we got a bunch of the fittings, and so these are the hard lines. So what's in this box is option number 2. More of the fuel rails. So yeah, we're looking at, so Markus over at German Performance Solutions had 4 options for this kit. And option 1 was the basic hardware, where it came with your injector blocks, your new intake manifolds. That was the option number 1. This is option number 2. Option number 2 comes with pre-molded or pre-bent, fuel hard lines that tee in right before the high pressure fuel pump and go into the fuel injector blocks. Option number 3 was all of this plus injectors, flow match Deechworks injectors. So because I'm going with 034 tuning, I reached out to them just to confirm injector size, and it's different than what Markus had offered, so it didn't make sense for me to get those injectors, but those not be what we were going to use. Option number 4 is all of that, plus a split-second controller with a base map loaded as well on it. Okay, so small interruption. I filmed all of it, and then I got to talking to Markus again afterwards, and kind of asked about the 750 cc's, what the 034 guys are using. And he's like, yeah, I could offer that. So, correction. What I should have done is even just ask him in the first place. But I didn't even know what 034 would have recommended me. So, talk to Markus. If you're running 034, we need the 750s. Talk to Markus, he'll get you hooked up. You can get option 3 then, because option 4, we're not using a split second controller in with 034 tuning. So there's no base map that needs to get updated. So again, talk to Markus if you're 034, he'll get you the 750s and you can get option 3 and it'd be a one-stop shop. Back to the video. So something I appreciate is Markus is someone who's been in the community for quite a while. He has a B8.5. He's got quite the twin charge project going on it. And and he's been oh wow. Markus. Oh man, these are beautiful pieces. Holding this right now, doesn't feel real. I remember when he posted about it first years ago, and had come out with it, and and you know, kudos to Markus because he kept innovating on it. It wasn't just like the first revision that he released now to us. And I wish I could tell you off the top of my head how many years it's been since he posted about it when he had it on his car first until now. Man, it's been, I don't want to misquote, but it's been a number of years now. And to actually see this, and this also to be the first ever batch that was made, I think it's pretty surreal. It's finally come to life, and I'm super proud of Markus, and I'm so happy for him. And don't get me wrong, I'm pretty happy that I've got this in my hands right now and was able to get on that on the group buy. So, you know what? Like, little personal opinion of mine, guys. You guys didn't know already. I'm a big fan and big proponent of supporting those in the community. Markus, GPS Performance, German Performance Solutions is exactly one of those people. It's not some standalone company that also made port injection. And their kit, the other port injection kit out there, what they do and what Markus's kit does differently is Markus's kit deletes the runners. He's got a pretty trick solution for tricking the ECU into thinking that the intake runners are still there, when in fact they're totally deleted. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, took his time too. There's something like with Markus, he has a B8.4. And so with the B8.5s, there's an extra temperature sensor in the head. So there's a provision for that extra temp sensor, and that was one of the revisions he did. So and it comes right beside the stock intake manifold where the runner flaps are. So he did a pretty wicked job of taking care of that. The other thing that we're... Hold up. I appreciate the festive season, Markus. Candy cane and more candy. You're the man. So something else I got from GPS. Is their thermostat with a thermostat housing, and this will be, yeah, I'm excited about this. It's a pretty nice piece, and yeah, that's a nice billet there. So that'll be going on the 3.2 stroker as well. Okay. And so for reference, this is the intake manifold I'm talking about with the runners and the and the flaps as well. So this is where like the fuel rail and the part of this comes and gets installed on this, on the port injection kit. And so what I was saying at the beginning of the video is we're out of fuel. So this having port injection gives us like a whole new level of headroom for our fuel system. Now, running on pump fuel, we're, to the best of my knowledge, we're not at the limit there. But a lot of us have switched to the E40, and an E40 is good. It's actually like it's a huge step up from the pump gas files. The beauty of this being that we should be able to go to E85. If you don't know, running E85 requires about 30% more fuel. And if you start looking at stoic charts, the Lambda and AFR, the happy stoic for gasoline is 14.7 to 1. The, I don't remember the exact, but for E85, it's I want to say 9.8. So you go 9.8 to 14.7 right there. That's your 30% more, or it takes that much more fuel. So with this is going to basically unlock E85 and a level of flex fuel as well, I believe. And so, a lot of us have been relying on meth systems to supplement our fueling. That's not the answer. It's worked, but it's a band-aid. I think we can all just agree that it's a band-aid. It's not the perfect fix. It's not a great system. This is just on this is going to be on such a whole nother level of OEM reliability and fail-safe built into it. So this is definitely a part of the where the platform is going, where this the next generation of 3OTs and the times we're going to run, the power we're going to put down. I'm really excited about this and where this is going. So before we end the video there, I feel like now's a good time with this port injection to do another 3.0T tech talk. And I'm talking a fueling system one. If that's something you guys want to see, let me know. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think. So I'm going to end it off there. Thank you so much for watching. Big shout out to Markus and German Performance Solutions. I'm going to drop a link to this in the description. And yeah, let's go support our people. And let's get more of these port injection kits on our cars. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.
Yeah, I think these guys are gonna go fast.